Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with some new products I've picked up. I got a new Midas Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, the Unveiled Cool Nudes palette. Also have new foundation, new highlighter, and then I filled in some stuff that I already have to make a full face. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses and we're going to get into this palette. And again, it's the Midas Cosmetics Unveiled Cool Nudes palette. And I'm going to take this shade down here and I'm going to put it in my crease as my transition shade. And I'm using a Alamar Cosmetics brush. It's the Crease Control brush. I really like this brush. Alright, and now I'm going to take this brown up here, which is not too much different than the other one. But I'm going to put that in my outer corner and a little bit in my outer crease. And I'm using that same Alamar Cosmetics brush. Alright, now I'm going to take this deep brown and I'm going to put that in my outer corner just to deepen it up a little bit. And I'm using a Sigma E42 Precision Firm Blender. Alright, now I'm going to take this coppery shimmer and I'm going to put that on the middle of my eyelid. And I'm taking this light beige shimmer and I'm going to put that in the inner part of my lid. And I'm using an Alamar Pigment Packer brush. I use that for the other shade too. I'm just flipping it over to the other side. Alright, I'm going to clean up this mess just with the cotton round and some micellar water. So since I'm trying a new foundation, I'm going to use a primer that I normally am used to using. I'm using the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. And I'm just going to dot it on my face. And the foundation we're trying out today is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromaniac, I guess that's how you say it, Tinted Glow Hydrator with medium coverage up to 24-hour wear. And I have the shade 20 Fair. And I'm going to try to, if I can get it open, I'm going to try to start by and it is a squeezy tube. Start by just dotting it on my face. Alright, I'm going to start with that much and just see how it goes. Alright, so I think I got a good shade match, and it is medium coverage. I have some pimples down here that it's kind of peeking through, so it is medium coverage. Alright, I'm just going to put on some Tarte Shape Tape in 12N Fair Neutral for my concealer. Actually, that was Fair Light Neutral, the shade, because my Fair Neutral is tapped out. The girls come in here and put on concealer and mascara, so and I just threw on some number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light to set my eyes and my concealer. And for bronzer today, I'm going to take the Ofra and Samantha March Bronzer Duo A River. And I'm just going to take both sides and put it on. Try not to go overboard. So I just ordered the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'll use that in another video, but I got a sample of the NARS Orgasm Blush. Ooh. So I was going to use that. It just looks like a nice little kind of matte case. Use that to just pink up my cheeks real quick. Even their little sample is packaged real nice. And for highlighter, I have the new Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in Iced Out. And that's what the front looks like. And then that is what the highlighter looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on the high points of my cheeks. That looks really pretty. Looks more golden than like really icy. Yeah, that's really pretty, and actually it's really pretty with this look too. And the pan, it's kind of raised and has the indentions in it. They really, put the details into it. I'm going over my brow. Over the other brow. Down my nose. And a little bit on my chin. Now I'm just going to take this brown up here and put it on my lower lash line, the mid shade brown. I'm taking the ColourPop BFF Creme Gel Liner in Exit. And it's just a white. And I'm going to put that on my lower lash line, or my lower inner rim. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that highlighter, my highlighter, the Anastasia Iced Out highlighter. And I'm going to put that on my inner corner. That's what it looks like again. I'm going to hop off here, throw on some Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and then I'll be right back. And for lips, I pulled out the Gimme Glow Vivid Lip Paint Lip Gloss Lip Cream in Peppermint Cocoa. And I'm going to throw that on my lips real quick. And I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Alright, well this is the final look using some new products that I picked up. The Midas Cosmetics Unveiled Cool Nudes. We use the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydro Maniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. And we use that's not it, the Anastasia highlighter in Iced Out. So let's kind of talk about a few of these things. The palette, I was really impressed with the formula, Midas's formula. I've never used Midas Cosmetics before, so this is my first time. The mattes blended well. The shimmers, they went on perfectly. They're exactly how I like my shimmers. They're metallic, but not too wild. That it like shows all your wrinkles and everything. Let's do the foundation, the Stay Naked Hydro Maniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. I really like the way it looks. I think it looks beautiful. This is perfect for day to day if you're looking for a medium coverage foundation. It just looks really beautiful, very skin-like, just very healthy. So I'm really enjoying this so far. I'll have to keep using it to kind of see exactly what I think about it, and I'll let y'all know at a later date exactly my full thoughts. But so far I'm liking it. The highlighter is really beautiful. I was thinking it was going to be more icy than golden, but it actually comes out more golden than icy, and I really think that it's beautiful, especially with this look. I think it's perfect. So I'm really enjoying all these products so far. Like I said, I'll keep playing with them to see kind of my full thoughts, especially the foundation. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the look. I really like the look and how it turned out. I hope you did too. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me today. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.